Garlic is indeed a powerhouse in the realm of natural remedies, celebrated for its myriad health benefits. Its potent antibiotic properties make it effective against bacterial, viral, and fungal infections, setting it apart from conventional antibiotics which are often limited to one type of infection. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to maximize the health benefits of garlic. The health benefits of garlic. 1. Antibiotic properties. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with strong antimicrobial properties. It combats a variety of pathogens, making it a versatile natural antibiotic. 2. Anti-inflammatory. Garlic reduces inflammation, helping with conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. 3. Antioxidant. It boosts the body's antioxidant levels, protecting cells from damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. 4. Immune booster. Regular consumption of garlic enhances immune function, making it easier for the body to fend off infections. 5. Cholesterol management. Garlic helps lower levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, while raising good cholesterol, HDL, promoting heart health. 6. Blood pressure regulation. It can help lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 7. Digestive health. Garlic acts as an antiseptic for the intestines, beneficial for those with intestinal worms or colon infections. 8. Liver health. Consuming garlic aids in detoxifying the liver, helping to eliminate fats accumulated in the liver. The best ways to consume garlic. 1. Swallowing whole garlic cloves. How to do it? Swallow a whole clove of garlic on an empty stomach. This ensures that the garlic reaches the intestines intact, where it can release its active substances effectively. Benefits. This method is particularly beneficial for intestinal health, reducing inflammation and lowering cholesterol levels. Considerations. Ideal for those who experience stomach pain or acidity when consuming garlic in other forms. 2. Consuming crushed or chewed garlic. How to do it? Crush or chew garlic to release its active compounds. This method releases organic sulfur compounds and antioxidants. Benefits. Enhances blood circulation, supports heart health, regulates cholesterol, and helps burn fat, particularly in the liver. Considerations. The crushing or chewing process reduces allicin's potency but still provides significant health benefits. Combining methods for optimal health. To harness the full spectrum of garlic's health benefits, it's recommended to combine both methods. Morning. Swallow a whole clove of garlic on an empty stomach. This takes advantage of garlic's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and cholesterol-lowering properties. Lunch. Incorporate mashed or chopped garlic into your meals. This supports circulation, heart health, and fat burning, particularly beneficial for liver health. Additional tips. Raw consumption. To maximize the benefits, consuming garlic raw is preferable as cooking reduces its allicin content. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to help your body absorb and process garlic efficiently. Regular intake. Make garlic a regular part of your diet to maintain and improve overall health. Conclusion. Garlic is a versatile and potent natural remedy with numerous health benefits. By understanding and applying the best methods to consume it, you can significantly enhance your well-being. Incorporate these practices into your daily routine to experience the transformative effects of garlic. If you like this video, then join us in making a difference. Subscribe to support our channel and raise charity for a good cause. No donations needed. Your subscription is all we need. Together, we can make a tangible difference in the lives of those who need it most. Let's make every day a step towards a happier and healthier you.